Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to explain some of the new updates about WeChat scan in QR code is concerned. Let me show you then. The first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, and the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Discover right here. Go ahead and click on Discover. Then when you get to Discover, next thing you want to do here is to make sure you go ahead and navigate to Scan right here. So go ahead and click on Scan. So under the scan, it's going to take you right here. So ever before now, if you get to this particular point and you upload a contact QR code, you can easily add, and at the same time, you can easily scan someone else that are registered on WeChat to complete their identity verification in this section. But now they are able to add a new option, which is my QR code, add friend, receive photo, and get reward. So go ahead and click on here and see more new tools that was added in WeChat scan sections right here. So click on that. Yeah, it's going to take us right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, you can use this section to so you can see my QR code here has been displayed right here. And one more thing here is that you can use the receive photos and find nearby. Instead of using any other means, you can easily use scan QR code to receive photos, which means that scan the QR code to send me photo, videos, and file as the case may be, either nearby file. Then get packet nearby. Scan the QR code to send me red packet. This is another tool right here. So you can click to open the options. So when you click to open the options, stay close to the other user to receive original photos, videos, and file quickly without using mobile data, and it is all for free. What you need to do is to click on start using. Once you click on start using, then the person that wants to send you photo will need to stay nearby. Then you can scan from here. You can receive photos and video or whatever file as the case may be using this option. Then let's take a look at the red packet right here. So get packet nearby. Okay, you can use this also to receive a red packet. So this is a QR code for red packet right here. Packet nearby need to be received on the current page. So for that, the person that wants to send you a red packet, you only need to scan this particular QR code right here and then send you a red packet. These are some of the new features that has been added to my QR code in scanning on WeChat. For more useful tools, tips and tricks about WeChat topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.